Rationalize the denominator, 2 square root of 3 over square root of 5. Okay, so ang question pala na yan ay nanggaling dito sa reviewer na ito. Panglet. CBRC ito. So Carl E. Balita, ayan, Review Center. So CBRC na reviewer. So makikita nyo po ang link nito diyan sa ilalim. Ayan. So napakagandang reviewer na to, madaming laman. Okay? At may explanation kumpleto. Okay, so sagutan natin ito, 2 square root of 3 over square root of 5. So ang sabi, rationalize the denominator. When we say rationalize the denominator, kailangan itong denominator natin ay rationalize. Ibig sabihin, mawala dapat yung square root. Okay? So para mawala itong square root of 5, ang gagawin natin dito para ma-rationalize, i-multiply natin both the numerator and denominator dito sa square root of 5. So multiply natin pareha sa square root of 5 over square root of 5. Bakit sa square root of 5? Kasi kapag minultiply natin ito, magiging siyang square root of 5 times square root of 5 equal yun sa square root of, magiging yung denominator natin, magiging square root of 5 square. Kasi parehas square root, tapos 5 times 5, that is 5 square. So, makakancel out na tong radical, tsaka itong square root, tsaka yung square. So, matitira sa denominator, 5 na lang. So, pag 5 na lang, eh, di-rationalize na yon, ibig sabihin, rational number na kasi yung 5. Tapos, itong numerator, copyhin lang natin. So, we have 2 square root of 3 times square root of 5. Dahil parehas namang square root, pwede nating i-multiply itong radicand natin, yung nasa loob ng square root. So, 3 times 5, that is equal to square root of 15. So, final answer, so, rewrite lang natin, 2 square root of 15 over 5, which is letter A, 2 square root of 15 over 5.